Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out Form 4506T. Form 4506T, or Request for Transcript of Tax Return, is a form by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. U.S. taxpayers can use this form to request a tax return transcript from the Federal Tax Agency. Use Form 4506T when you want to request one transcript. The IRS only allows one transcript per form. If you are requesting two or more types of transcripts, submit one form per request. Form 4506T is a two-page form. The first page requires your taxpayer-related information and asks the type of transcript you want to obtain. The second page contains instructions on how to fill it out. Answer the form accurately and correctly to avoid any problems with your request. To fill out Form 4506T, click on the Fill Online button. This will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. To start, enter your full legal name as it appears on your tax return. If it's a joint return, enter the name shown first. Enter your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. If a joint return, enter the first SSN, ITIN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN. Only enter your EIN if your request relates to a business return. Enter your spouse's name as shown on the tax return if it's a joint tax return. Enter the second SSN or ITIN if it's a joint tax return. Enter your current address, including apartment, room, or suite number. Then, add your city of residence, the state, and finally, the zip code. If you use a P.O. Box address, include it. Enter the address you used on your last filed return, if applicable. Enter 10 numeric characters to create a unique customer file number that will appear on the transcript. Answering item 5 is not required. However, if you wish to answer it, please make sure to not use your SSN. On line 6, enter the tax form number. Next, mark the appropriate box to determine the transcript you are requesting. You may select Return Transcript, Tax Account Transcript, or Record of Account Transcript. Mark the box on line 7 if you are requesting a verification of non-filing document. Mark the box on line 8 if you are requesting a transcript of your Form W-2 or any filed form in the 1099, 1098, and 5498 series. If you need a copy of Form W-2 or Form 1099, you must contact the payer first. If you want to get a copy of Form W-2 or Form 1099 filed with your return, use Form 4506, also known as Request for Copy of Tax Return. On line 9, enter the ending year, or period of tax years requested, in the month, date, and year format. If you are requesting more than 4 years or periods, attach another Form 4506T. If your request is related to quarterly tax returns, such as Form 941, also known as Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return, enter each quarter or tax period separately. Mark the appropriate box if you attest that you have read the attestation clause, and upon so reading, declare that you have the authority to sign the Form 4506T. Then, affix your signature. Enter the date you signed the form, followed by your phone number. Enter your job title if the name on line 1A is a corporation, partnership, estate, or trust. Affix your spouse's signature. Then, enter the date your spouse signed the form. Review, and double-check if all entered information is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print your Form 4506T. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.